What's up, guys? It's Bob Moriali here with the Tuning School. Welcome back to our On the Dyno series. Today we're going to be discussing the new MPVI4 from HP Tuners. Let's get to it. All right, guys, welcome back. So we're going to be discussing the MPVI4, brand new from HP Tuners, but I thought it would be cool to get the family back together for a little reunion. So we're going to start out here with the old reliable, old trusty, the MPVI1. It's grandpa at this point. It can't stand up on its own. It's going to be needing to be held up by our old LS1 map sensor, which is kind of appropriate because I think I bought these at the same time in like 2005 or something. But anyway, it was definitely upgraded when they moved to the MPVI2. It was smaller, a little more compact. Super cool unit, love that. The MPVI2 Plus came out, had a better motorsports connector, and then over here is the 3. And so great increases along the way, really do like the units, and now it's time to break open the 4, so let's go ahead and do it. Let's see, not returnable, uh-oh, it's open. All right, the grand reveal, the MPVI4. All right, so first glance here, how does it compare to these guys? Probably its next closest cousin is going to be the 3 here. So let's go ahead and get these out of the way. Y'all can tell me what you think. So first glance, it looks a little bit bigger than the MPVI3. And as far as functionality and features, you can see it has a few more LEDs. So you as the tuner will actually know what's going on when it's flashing, which is nice rather than just a different colored single LED. Same M8 Motorsports connector, same USB-C. So in preparation for this little video, I went ahead and did a little research to see why you might consider buying a 4. Well, first of all, they don't make 3s anymore. So if you want an HP Tuners unit, you're gonna need a 4, which is fine because it's at least as good, if not better, than the 3. And the primary way that I found that it's better than the 3 is in the communication speed and the capability. So what does that mean? That means that let's say you've got a customer that you're sending down the track, and you don't want to send him down the track with your laptop, which is pretty common, right? So this one has a lot of expansion in terms of what it can data log and how fast it can data log. And you set that up in the VCM scanner with your laptop, and then you tell it, when you go down the track, I want you to record and grab this data for me, the tuner, so that later I can come back with my laptop after the run, plug in and get the data off of it. So its memory abilities, communication abilities, stuff like that, all greatly improved over the 3. And to me, guys, I think that's the primary driving factor. If I was going to get a 4, I would do that. And again, like I said, if you're wanting to get into HP Tuners, this is definitely going to be your best way in. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little bit about the MPVI4, and stay tuned.